Hello, how are you? Simple modern nails. Your nails can be changed into a elegant and a simple style with just two colors. To achieve the perfect simple modern creativity style, record with it with a bright colors and tapes. Fall simple nail design. This simple yet elegant nail pattern can be created on a few fingers or all fingers. You only need a dotting tool, some white enamel, and orange to create this amazing pattern. 1 minute is all it takes to look minimalistic plaid nails. One of the most popular fall nails color trends is a burgundy too. It's look very adorable and a little more effective because of the strength lens and plain melon. One might get confused between the minimalistic nails and almond nails as the shape difference in not much. Do check out our garden to find the best almond nail designs with which have been trending last year. Cute as a secural nail art design. It look autumnal with the fallen leaves on the white or peach background. The addition of the cute squirrel in the central just identify the autumnal feeling with a white base coast and orange and black point. You can easily reproduce the squirrel and the leaf. These cute short nails look stunning and elegant at the same time. Fall nail art for a wedding. Another take you take use to replicate for filling nail with the manufacturing fallen leaves is to appoint the ornament with a brown base color